everyone, it's Joni Young here. Welcome back for another video. Today I'm going to show you how to paint a heart-shaped forest. The canvas I'm using today is 11 by 14 and it's been painted black. And I have a number 20 flat brush I'll start the painting with. I've got titanium white, luminous red. I'm just going to get a little bit more. I've been using this limited palette here for the last few paintings. I really love it and I have lots left over, so I wanted to try this out in a forest scene. And I've got yellow oxide and some Mars black. So I've just got a little bit of water in my brush and I'm going to start by creating some light in the center. I'm going to take some yellow and some white and I'm just going to go up and down. I'm going to add a little bit of water to my brush, help work some of that out. Let's get a little bit more. When working on a black canvas, it's a good idea to be a little bit more generous with your paint. As acrylic dries, it'll become darker, so that black will show through. I'm going to take a little bit more, add that right in the center. Then I'm going to come around with some pink and white, or red and white to make pink. Again, get a little bit of water. Let's pull in a little bit more and start on the other side. And then I'm going to take all three colors and I'm going to start to go down here, creating what will be a little path. I'll add a little bit more paint on top here, making some of the areas a little bit brighter. And work out the rest of that paint. I'm going to come in with a mop brush now. This is synthetic, if you guys are wondering. It's really soft. And I'm going to take some, I'm going to take some red and a little bit of black. Tap together, and I'm going to start here and come in with a heart shape. And I'm going to take more red and a little bit of white. Mix that in. And just tap in for some light. Add a little bit more red. And I'm just kind of turning and tapping. Building up all these shades of pink and some of this bright, bright red. You can use any shade of red you want or pink. And then back into a little bit of white. Okay, I'm going to go over to my number 6 filbert brush now. I'm going to take some yellow, some white, maybe a little bit of that pink in there too. And I'm going to add a few little steps in here. A little bit more light, just up and down. I'm going to come in with some black and red and some water. A little bit of white in there is fine, even a little bit of yellow. Make a shade of brown. So I've got a number 10 liner brush, and I'm going to start adding some little trees in here. I'm just pulling little thin lines, not applying a lot of pressure. Then I'll start another little tree here. And we're going to create some depth in this painting so we feel drawn into this and want to go further back. So we'll have these trees a little bit taller. On the outer edges, some bigger and thicker branches. Now if the heart frame wasn't in the way, you'd see the bottom of this tree. So we're just painting rows of trees, and then I'll want a little smaller here, and they'll just get smaller and smaller. We're going to go back for more water when using little liner brushes. It'll really help thin the paint out. So the trees are just getting shorter and shorter as they get further away. Adding just a little bit more black to this one to make it a little bit darker. Not straight black, always tinted with some red. Gonna add a little bit of yellow in there, like I said earlier, and I used a little bit of yellow here and there. I'm going to add a highlight on the inside of these trees with some yellow and some white. So I'm just going to go on the inside here. It'll just make them stand out a little bit more. You can add some light to some of those branches as well. Use light pink if you want. Mix that red with some white and make a very light shade of pink. Okay, now I'm going to go over to a mini mop brush. I've got this mini mop brush here, and I'm going to just go into that dark red, black, white mixture, and I'm going to start tapping a little bit on the tops of these trees. Okay, now I'm going to take another mini mop brush and I'm going to go into my red and white, and I'm going to add a little highlight and just a little pull and sweep. And take this same brush. I just rinsed it out so it's lost its shape a little bit, but I want to add a little bit of white and yellow. I'm going to add a little sun, just twist in a little circle like that. And then come inside with a little bit of white. work the paint out. And then pull back and forth. Now the last little bits of highlights here on these trees. Just going over some of these tree trunks because they've dried a little bit too light. Usually acrylic dries darker, but I think because I've painted on the, I was trying to paint it on the canvas that had the black on it first, so kind of worked in reverse. Okay, I'm just rinsing my brush out and I'm just going to soften this a little bit. Add a few little rings around that sun to give it just a little bit more of a soft glow. Okay, this painting is all done. This is one of those just simple, easy, fun types of paintings. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you soon in another video. Bye!